The people are clearly the most vital part of the business. Anyone can buy machines, anybody can put up a building, but you have to have the right people at the right time operating and controlling a very complex piece of machinery. Without them, we have nothing.
Most people around here are problem solvers. That's something we take a lot of pride in and something we're very good at.
We got some really brilliant minds here. Put all the heads together and we'll figure out a way.
The team here is just unstoppable.
When we hire someone, we do not hire for a temporary basis. Every person we hire, we plan on them retiring from here. And so we invest the education, the culture, and really invest in that person knowing that they're going to be here for a lifetime.
As long as you're willing to learn, they'll give you everything you need, plus some. There has never been a time where I thought, oh, I'm not challenged enough.
There are a lot of complexities in a job shop, especially one like ours that holds parts to 4 decimals in tolerances. I like to think we do the impossible.
We have parts that are going into outer space. Who gets to do that, right? Machinists get to do that. People at MacKay Manufacturing get to do that.
Getting to walk through and seeing the MMCs, I thought it was the coolest thing in the world. So to be actually working on the MMCs, working with metal, and actually getting hired, pretty amazing. Ever since I've loved it.
What did we ship out the door today? Did we ship out some parts that are going to help align people's spines, or parts that are going to go into scanning electron microscopes and help possibly be curing some disease next week? That's very rewarding, it's very meaningful, and the team knows that we're making an impact in the community.
All right, thank you very much.
We want to keep jobs here in the United States. We have a fun saying, made by MacKay in the USA, and we take a lot of pride in that.
We have respect here. The vendors, the customers, the employees, they treat everybody the same. I can go talk to Katie or Mike the same as I can talk to somebody that's running the machine next to me.
I don't just do what I can, I do the best I can. They've taught me how to do that over the years. They've taught me how to be better. I've never worked in an environment that does that, encourages you to learn and to grow every single day.
PIE is the way that we describe our culture, which is an acronym for praise, information, and encouragement.
Everybody likes PIE. Yeah, it's just part of the culture, you know, helping people out, passing on information, helping people stay motivated.
Our family, the MacKay family, it's very important to us that it remains a family feel company, so we get to know the employees' spouses and their children and watch everybody grow up together. It's very important to us.
I'll tell you why people should come and work for MacKay. The MacKays get it. They get people, they understand people, and they take care of people.
If you want to be the best at what you do, MacKay Manufacturing really is a great place to come in, and they will help you be the best you can be.
Continuous improvement is a mentality that empowers every employee on every level of the organization.
They work on it, they vote on what they're going to improve on that day or that week. The management can't see all of the little details because they're not doing it. It's the people doing the work that have the best ideas of how to improve that process.
In this area, this is one of our 2 MMCs, the Makino Machining Center. There are a lot of visual devices here. Visuality is the practice of embedding intelligence into the workplace so that the workplace can speak to us and answer questions that we know people will have. We have a lot of workers here. There's day shift, swing shift, graveyard, and that makes it so what should happen does happen every time.
When I first started here, we all had our own toolboxes and our own tools, and we've gotten away from that. We all have our shadow boards at all our machines, and all the tools are there ready for you to work. We're just always trying to make each little area faster, easier. It's been really nice.
It's active communication, you know. This is what we're working towards. This is where we need to be. This is what we're doing to get there, you know. It's incredible. It's a group effort. It really is.
What continues to fuel me is satisfying customers and watching our employees grow. That's a big part of what we do, and a big part of what I watch is, are these people learning and growing? It is vital that we train them, let them be empowered, let them help build the world they live in every day.